This is Empowered Magazine Investigates. I'm your host, Anelia Sutton. Let's begin.
If you have a child support order, you have an unprecedented opportunity to join a monumental class action lawsuit seeking a staggering $672 billion. This lawsuit is open to custodial parents, legal guardians, and non-custodial parents alike. You might be wondering how we arrived at such a colossal figure. Well, let's break it down. According to the Federal Office of Child Support Enforcement, states collected approximately $32 billion on behalf of 14.7 million children served by child support enforcement programs across the United States during the fiscal year 2018. To understand how this leads to the $672 billion figure, we multiplied the annual collections by 21 years. This result reflects the funds collected and the potential in damages that Anelia will be seeking in this class action. The issues surrounding child support are multifaceted and deeply rooted in antiquated social systems that must be abolished, which is why parents find themselves frustrated with the enforcement of child support orders. Non-custodial parents report feeling trapped in a cycle of debt in a system that favor harsh penalties and barbaric punitive measures over supportive solutions. Examples of harsh penalties includes, but is not limited to, wage garnishments, loss of professional licenses, and even jail time, which can further exacerbate their financial struggles. Sadly, many parents realize that the justice system is rigged against those who are trying to navigate it. Parents feel they are not getting fair treatment when it comes to enforcement actions, often facing harsh penalties if they fall behind on payments. This class action aims to address these grievances and seek justice for those affected. Though the child support agencies are powerful entities with extensive networks, there is strength in numbers. By joining this class action, parents can unite their voices and experiences against what many perceive as a flawed system. The idea is that when people come together, they can wield significant influence and advocate for change that one individual simply cannot achieve alone. However, it's important to acknowledge the challenges that lie ahead. Child support agencies often have deep-rooted relationships with law enforcement and the media, which they can leverage to shape public perception. This creates an uphill battle for those who seek to challenge the status quo. Nevertheless, the collective action of many can drive awareness and galvanize support for reform. Participating in this class action could potentially lead to significant financial restitution for those who have been wronged by the child support system. If successful, it could also pave the way for much-needed reforms that would improve how child support is handled in the future. The opportunity to join a $672 billion class action lawsuit regarding child support is not just about financial restitution, it's about taking a stand against a system that many feel is unjust and flawed. By banding together, custodial parents, legal guardians, and non-custodial parents can challenge the established norms and push for meaningful change. The path may be fraught with challenges, but through unity and collective action, there's a chance to abolish child support enforcement in America. Recent court cases, such as the dismissal of a class action lawsuit by fathers in Georgia who argued they were denied state-provided counsel, highlight the challenges faced by parents navigating the system. The Georgia Supreme Court ruled that there is no automatic right to appointed counsel in civil contempt proceedings, leaving many parents feeling unsupported in their legal battles. Such cases underscore the urgency of the class action planned by Anelia, as it addresses the systemic issues that need to be addressed. By participating in this lawsuit, you'll help shine a light on these injustices and push for legal reforms that ensure fair treatment for all parents involved in child support cases. As this class action by Anelia and her legal team moves forward, it is essential for participants to know that through unity and collective action, there is a chance to abolish child support enforcement in America. Together, we can advocate for a fairer, more equitable child support system that truly serves the best interests of children and families across the nation. This lawsuit represents not just a financial opportunity, but a chance to reshape the future of child support enforcement in America. The child support class action will get justice for all parties harmed by the child support enforcement agencies. However, if you need immediate relief with your individual child support case, visit the resource section found at aneliasutton.com/now. Then click on the link for the child support class action. When you're on the Child Support Class Action page, you'll see the list of resources at the bottom of the page. Now is the time to join the fight for justice. If you're interested in participating, visit the resource section found at aneliasutton.com/now to learn more about how you can be part of this historic class action lawsuit. It takes a village to overcome injustice, so consider making a donation to support Anelia's social justice campaigns, which includes the Child Support Class Action.
Dear viewers and subscribers, you know as well as we do that the American justice system is damaged beyond repair and rotten to the core with corrupt cops, corrupt private attorneys, corrupt public defenders, corrupt prosecutors, corrupt judges, corrupt politicians who lie to get into office and lie to stay in office. And let's not forget about the countless government officials who are corrupt and serve no one but their own interests. All of these groups of officials have one thing in common, which is that they fail to serve and protect the very people they are supposed to serve and protect, because the entire system is corrupt from the top. That begins with the Department of Justice. That's why Anelia has dedicated herself to restoring justice by publishing daily content on social media. She is a passionate advocate for social justice and legal empowerment, who began her journey into legal research as a legal abuse survivor. Anelia is doing the work to get rid of an unfair and unjust system, but she can't do it alone. She needs your support now. You can support this important work by simply hitting the follow button. Remember, the people you choose to follow on social media is who you amplify. So follow Anelia Sutton on this platform and across all social media platforms to amplify her mission for justice reform. Next, you can support Anelia by giving a contribution for her justice reform initiatives on aneliasutton.com/now. Your contribution, as little as $8, is critical to restore accountability, transparency, and justice for all back into the justice system. All right, let's get the engagement going here. Do all of the button things, so hit the like button, share this video, and comment #AneliaSutton. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Check the video description box for all of Anelia's social media links and more helpful links mentioned in this video. Remember, knowledge is power. Unity is power, so stand together with Anelia for justice. United we stand, united we win. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all of your support.
I believe that legal education and personal finance are two sides of the same coin, because corrupt officials target people who don't know their rights and are struggling financially. But with the right financial tool, you can protect yourself by building your personal credit, and that's where the Self card comes in. It's not just a secure credit card, but a powerful shield of protection and a symbol of empowerment. Don't let financial struggles allow corrupt officials to put a target on your back. Take control of your personal finances now. Build credit, build dreams. Get the Self card today on aneliasutton.com/self. You can also find the link in the video description box. This video is sponsored by Mission Possible University, a school I founded with courses dedicated to equal access to justice and closing the wealth gap. Join more than 4,000 students and over 20,000 alumni in the pursuit of brave ideas on missionpossibleuniversity.com. Please remember to hit the like, share, subscribe, and the bell notification.